Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most fascinating examples of metro trains finding a second life halfway across the world, the Nagoya Municipal Subway Series 5000 cars, now running on Line C of the Buenos Aires Subte in Argentina. It might sound unbelievable, but these trains, built in the early 1980s, were retired in Japan in 2015, shipped across the Pacific Ocean, and are now carrying passengers beneath the streets of Buenos Aires. The Series 5000 cars were built by Nippon Sharyo and Hitachi, and were among the first trains in Nagoya to feature air conditioning and regenerative braking. The design is unmistakably Japanese. Clean interiors, comfortable bench seating, and narrow open gangways between some cars. Not full modern gangways, but just enough space to walk through. For decades, they served Nagoya reliably, before newer trains replaced them in 2015. "30 of these cars were selected for export to Buenos Aires to modernize Line C. Before shipment, they were extensively modified in Japan to handle the local system. The electrical supply was upgraded from Nagoya's 600-volt DC third rail to Buenos Aires' 1500-volt overhead wire, with corresponding changes to traction control, brakes, and auxiliary systems. The trains were then shipped across the ocean to Argentina. However, in 2019, traces of asbestos were found in some components of the fleet, and the cars were immediately withdrawn from service. After several years of abatement and safety work, a small portion of the 5000 series has finally returned to service on Line C, usually running 1 or 2 trains during weekday rush hours. With just a bit of luck and advanced planning, you might be able to catch one of these ex-Nagoya trains in action. If you enjoyed this look into the journey of the 5000 series, please give this video a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you've ever seen or ridden these cars in Buenos Aires or even back in Japan. The rest of this video is presented without commentary, so you can enjoy the sights and sounds of these iconic cars. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.